Hello everyone. Did you know that optimization problems can be classified into several types based on the nature of the objective function, variables, and constraints? These include linear optimization, where both the objective and constraints are linear. Nonlinear optimization, involving nonlinear relationships. Integer and mixed integer optimization, where some or all variables are restricted to integers. And combinatorial optimization, which seeks the best solution from a finite set of discrete options. Additionally, convex optimization focuses on convex functions and constraints, ensuring globally optimal solutions, while stochastic optimization addresses uncertainty in data or parameters. Dynamic optimization deals with time-dependent problems, and multi-objective optimization aims to balance multiple conflicting goals. Each type requires specialized mathematical techniques suited to its structure and complexity. What do you think about different types of optimization problems? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. And see you in the next video.